what do you look for in a business? Is it more important to have current, good, solid earnings? Of course, that's always good, but then the growth profile. Which is more important, the current earnings or the growth profile? Which is, I mean, obviously that's you
right.
can't answer.
It's something. It would depend on the industry type.
Uh-huh.
I mean, but first and foremost, it's cash flow, and obviously the growth potential of that cash flow is key. But current cash flow is what gets a deal done and what makes it attractive and what makes
yeah,
it
well, you know, when
worth
I value a business for a stock purchase, I look at these projections and I think, well, that's interesting. I look at what happened last year, and that's I think a conservative approach. I don't look at these forecasts. I mean, I look at them, but I can't use that earnings per share projected to price a business.
Yeah, occasionally you'll find a gem that maybe hasn't embraced technology yet,
yeah.
and you know that if you can go in there and you can do certain things to use technology to make that business more efficient or to grow it, those come up every now and then. Those are the ones to really look for.
Are you seeing any difference between businesses that are service businesses versus manufacturing businesses that produce a good versus those that provide a service?
Well, the multiple on the two is still higher for a service business. Again, the ones that we talked about earlier that have been on the lower end of the deals, the asset deals, those may have been the manufacturing companies and some of those good producing ones that just hadn't done very well.
And the multiple, of course, is the price, is the price is the multiple times the earnings give you the price.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. So multiple of like what I look for in a stock, most stocks. Now, I look for a 12, 13, something like that. Now, that sounds absurd that you would, but anything gets above 13, I get a little concerned. I mean, I'm looking for bargains.
Yeah, that's on the
some of the stocks, like, well, I'll give, when we come to that session, I'll tell you some of the ones I bought. I won't, but we'll see about that later.